Guys, I found an Ohio bird.
An Ohio.
You guys can see that. Yeah. Albino, sorry.
Right there.
You can't fully see it. It has red eyes. It's white.
First time, guys. The first time that we ever caught an albino bird.
And my brother says it is
the rarest bird out of a million chances that nobody can find. Nobody. Even the world's best diggers, they can't even find the bird.
They have good hearing and they're gonna fly high, so be careful.
See, guys, we're right there.
Can you see it from up here, probably better?
Right there, guys.
Here,
Can you see it
this
better?
up here.
Kind of closer now.
Yes, love.
An albino bird.
There it is, guys.
Yeah.
I'm putting this on YouTube, by the way.
An albino bird, guys. We caught one for the first time.
Look at that.
That's the thickest bird that I ever saw.
I was just going to make tacos and I see this bird out the window. At first I thought it was an owl, but apparently it's not.
Owls are like tweet tweet. Not the tweet 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 tweet. Guys, you can see it has red eyes.
Let me see.
Yeah, Nana.
You can see? You can see it's blinking.
Okay, I gotta go down.
Okay, well, I'll keep you guys updated. See you later.
That's an albino pigeon.
Bye.